All right, so I'm testing out BARD's new chat interface. Looks like they completely revamped the way how BARD's chat used to look like. And one interesting thing that I found out is they do have some extensions today, which is kind of competition to what Chat GPT offers in terms of extensions. But BARD's, which is Google's generative AI chat and general utility tool, has extensions only configured to the existing Google suite of tools like YouTube, Workspace, Google Flights, hotels, and maps. I found it really interesting, so I'm going to test out some of its features. So let's go back and create a new chat here. There is a refresh button on top. Each time when you refresh, it gives you new ideas as to how it can be used. So I'm going to try a couple more times and see what are all the things that it gives. Wherever you see this logo, meaning it is embedded within an extension. In this case, it's embedded with Google Flights. So let's try a couple more times. And I've seen hotels here. I'm seeing hotel here, and I'm seeing maps extension here. But let me show you some cool things that I ran before this record. But you know what? Let's try here. Okay, I'm gonna ask, check if I have any active subscriptions based on my emails. So the reason why it was able to access my emails is because I logged in with my Gmail account, and behind the scenes it can access Google's Workspace, which is basically scanning my emails. Okay, you can see you have active subscriptions to Big Lots and HelloFresh. The offer is valid. Okay, I don't think I have active subscription with both of them, but maybe an email which came through which says I have an offer of subscription. It pulled up pretty much whatever the information that I asked for, like looking for an active subscriptions, but these are not active subscriptions, to be honest with you. So as you can see, it gave me this summary based on all these emails, but let me be very specific. Check if I have an active Walmart Plus subscription. I know for the fact I have a Walmart subscription, so I just wanted to see if it can pull up based on my email. So let's see. Okay, I didn't mention based off of my email, so that's the reason probably it didn't show me my subscription. So it gives me general explanation as to how I can check, but let's change this prompt to based on my emails and submit and see what it says. I've tested this before. It did pull up the email which had the date on it. So yeah, here you go. So on July 8th, I actually subscribed for a Walmart Plus subscription. So as you can see, the subscription was signed up, blah, blah, blah. What are all the information in here? So that's cool. Let's see what all it can do. How many emails I have so far based on my emails. I know it's a dumb question, but I just want to know the total count of all the emails that I have in my inbox. Okay, it says I found 20 emails in my inbox. I don't think that's true. Let's try regenerate, because I use this email just pretty much for subscriptions. So probably it's not the right answer. It's not the right answer. Of course, it's not the right answer. Okay, so let's give one a shot. Okay, it gave me another response which says 20 emails. So maybe it's running down the first page of the emails. Usually when you see the emails, you have multiple pages. Each page has 20 emails. Probably it's pulling up from the first page. Okay, that was not really helpful. let's see what else we got here. I'm going to upload an image here and see if it can write me code to develop an application. So I took a screenshot of YouTube's landing page. I'm going to show you that image in a second, but let me ask, okay, as you can see, there are some tiles from YouTube, nothing crazy, but let me ask, help me write code to develop a web page like this image. Yeah, you can see this is a YouTube landing page. If you select, it will pull up as an image. And you see that sweet part is BARD is integrated with various Google's suite of tools. In here, you can see open this in Lens, so it takes into another page where it scans through this image and gives you similar images as such. But yeah, so this was blocked because the image has the screen grab has some images. Probably that's the reason why it has been removed from the chat. But let me try another image though. So I'm gonna ask another question. So let me try. Okay, so this is one of the images that I took, and I'm gonna ask where exactly this image. Can you tell me where this picture was taken? This was taken in Yellowstone National Park. So let's see if it actually tells. Oh, it removed the image. When I tried it before, it actually told me, okay, let me go back into my previous chat where I actually asked the question. You see, find the location in the image. I was a little lenient in my prompt and gave some hint. I told BARD that it is somewhere in USA. And it actually showed me that this is in Yosemite National Park, although it is in Yellowstone National Park. So that's that. Okay, so let me go back here. Okay, that was taken away. Another prompt that I thought very interesting was, I asked a prompt, hey, find me videos of how to understand networking on Google Cloud better. So it gave me, some of the probably highly watched videos from YouTube as to learn networking on Google Cloud. I found it really helpful because I don't have to go through YouTube to scroll through all the results. It gave me some high level overview of the videos that I should be looking at in terms of learning networking on Google Cloud. I found it really helpful. Another prompt that I tested is, find flights to Vegas for New Year's. What are the usual temperatures then? So it gave me a detailed itinerary and then gave me some of the Google flights comparison, some rates as to what I could potentially look into for, for this plan. I found it helpful. What else I got? So let's go back to the home and, try a couple more prompt ideas here. Best places to visit. Okay, let's try this video insight. So in this prompt, when I selected this, it pre-populated with the prompt says, give me insights about this video, organize the information in set of easy to scan bullet points. I don't know what this video is, but let me go here and see what this video is about. Yeah, obviously it's a video from Google, but let's pick another video and drop it there and see what it says. I'm going to give Andrew's large language model video and see what it says. For those who don't know who Andrej Karpathy is one of the guys whom you should look into if you wanted to learn and understand what large language models are. A very interesting guy. So I'm going to replace this YouTube link with this URL and then see what BARD responds back to us. So it's scanning the video. Again, BARD, YouTube, everything in the same ecosystem. So it gave me high level insights from the video. It says LLMs are two files, a parameter file and code file. LLMs can generate text, translate languages. There are challenges associated with LLMs, so on and so forth. I don't find it really informative, but I wanted to change the prompt. Let's change it. Organize certain bullet points. I wanted to write a blog based off of this video, be very descriptive, 5,000 character limit, subheaders will be helpful. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is really helpful. Well, I take that back. I was hoping it gives me much more detailed description as to what this video is about. I believe this is a 1-hour talk, and BARD, if you're saying that this is the only high-level information that you can get me, well, it's not really helpful though. But But anyways, that's what it is. Let's try a couple more questions here. Product comparisons, rules of sport, debug Python code. Okay, I'm going to select this. Looks like it's pre-populated with a piece of code, and hit enter. I'm going to see what it says. Okay, it gives me the error message indicates that there is no attribute named cosine in the NumPy module. This is likely because you are using an outdated version of NumPy. Okay, that's good. Okay, maybe I might have missed to mention about extensions. You have to enable them to use these extensions. So when you select this little extension icon here, you get these options where you have to like check and enable them. If you don't enable them, you are essentially not giving BARD the permission to scan through your Workspace apps. So yeah, what else we got here? Okay, can you help me find some hotels in area Buenos Aires? So I'm gonna change this. Yes, in Iceland, and suggest things while we are there. Okay, so I changed the prompt to find some hotels in Iceland and suggest things to see while there. Okay, so it gave me pretty much good list of things that I could potentially do or potentially stay in Iceland, and things I could do like hike, explore Reykjavik, glacier hiking, relax in natural spot, and gave me direct links to Google Hotels here. So here I could straight up go and select book hotels from there. What else I got here? So maybe if I select this, I was hoping that it takes me to another page and give me Google results. Looks like it gave me related search topics. Wasn't really particularly helpful to me, but what does it do if I do share option? So let's see, export to docs. I don't know what I was hoping I would see a download option, but I don't see anything there. Let's see, draft an email. Okay, the email thing did not work. I got a prompt which says, okay, I'm reading through here which says drafting an email, but I think it's not loading and getting failed. Maybe an issue behind the scenes, I don't know. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Okay, so this is chat history and all the activity that you would potentially do with BARD. Settings. Okay, obviously you have two different settings. I don't want to go there. And all my Google Suite. Okay. Couple of things that I would really love to have here is, the ability to ask questions based on my Google Photos. Basically, Google sells all, the storage capacity and where you can upload documents and photos. And, I would really love to have a feature where I can ask questions and BARD would go search in my documents, within my documents, search in my photos and pull up all those photographs or all documents which are related to a topic of topic that I ask BARD to search for. So looks like Google Photos is not part of the BARD's extensions. I believe I've seen Google Drive, but not Photos. Anyhow, but yeah, I think these are my impressions of using BARD. I've made a video on Microsoft Copilot, which is kind of the competition for BARD's similar generative AI assistant. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I've done similar exploration as to how you can use it. Pretty much the same capabilities, but not limited to Google itself. So I think that's all for this video. And if you like this video, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing my channel. I'll make more informative and helpful videos. Until then, keep learning.